Hello everyone, I'm here at Linear Wireless with another repair that needs to be done. The customer brought in the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Screen is shattered, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that. Okay, the first thing is to do the heating and then start right over there at the very top. You can see here, and you're just gonna lift it a little bit. You can see the crack right there. She says she dropped it on the concrete, and that's what happened there. All right, you do this, and it opens like that, and there's like a screw right there that needs to be removed. Okay. Yeah, to remove that screw, actually, you need this is a different kind of a screw. It does not, so that's why I was waiting for this right there. It's out. You can remove that and use the plastic tool to unplug it here. There you go. And now we're gonna remove her fingerprint to install it into the new LCD. What you can do is we can heat it up a little bit here. And then we can just use this tool right here. Okay, like this. And then you have to make sure that you're doing it correctly so it won't damage the fingerprint. Have to be very, very careful there. See this? And if it's too tight, you can also use the alcohol for things to get loosened up a little bit. You see this? And if that doesn't comes up, you can actually use this tool right there, and then it should just bring it up there. You just have to be right there. As you can see here, it has been removed, And then we're going to install that. This is a new screen right here, and we will be installing this over there. Just have to have aligned it very well, so just make sure that it's aligned very well right there. That's a new screen. Now we just have to make sure that there's no adhesive cutting out, or there's no debris or any loose particles there, otherwise it can actually damage the screen. So let's have to very careful about that. If you don't see any, this screen should be ready to install. Okay. That's why sometimes I keep my nails a little bit longer, so it actually helps in repairs. Take it very easy. Don't have to be rushing. There you go. You should hear nice clicking. And then we're gonna put this back here. Okay. And just put this screw back. Okay. Now it says that you have to remove the sticker while rebooting it. So there you go. And we will test the screen here in a second. Just wait for this thing to turn on. Yep, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks okay. Pretty good. Yep. Looks okay to me. All right. Just have to make sure that all of the cables and everything are tightened up. And just have to see. Just have to have aligned that over there. That's right there. Pretty good. So the screen come with a little bit of adhesive, and then the factory installed adhesive was there, so that's why I did not install any more adhesive. But other than that, everything okay. Looks to be okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Until then, see you next time. Bye.